What's up guys? Welcome to the first video on the channel, first tutorial as well. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install networked hit sounds into your GorillaTag fan game. The script that I'm using in this video can be found in my Discord server. Credits to Danix for creating the original script, which I then modified to be networked. Sorry about that. Anyway, I'll put his Discord in the description as well, because his package for Unity will have the hit sounds that I'm using in this if you want to use those. So let's get right to it. So first you're going to want to join my Discord, link in the description, and you want to get it verified, and you want to go to scripts, networked hit sounds, and you want to download this right there. We're going to go back to Unity, and now now you're going to want to import that. And then after that's imported, I'm gonna wait for Unity to load. Usually it does, but looks like we're good. So now you're gonna want to create a couple of tags if you haven't already. If you don't have these already, give me 1 sec. Yep, see, kind of figured it'd do that. So let me just wait for this to load. Okay, so now you're gonna go to your Gorilla rig. You're gonna need Photon, by the way, for this to work. So I'd recommend, if you don't have it installed already, I'd recommend Be Awesome's tutorial on how to install it. He did a really good job explaining it, and that's the one I used to follow along and create this. So you're gonna want to open your Gorilla rig, go to Gorilla Player, go to left hand controller first, and you're gonna want to have the tag hand tag in the layer left hand. This doesn't have to be spelt the exact same, it doesn't really matter how you spell it, but this has to be spelt the exact same. Um, and this will also set you up for future tutorials you watch to make sure you have it already there. So you're gonna go down, add tag if you don't have it, click the plus, and just type just like that, and then just save it. I already have it, so I'm not gonna do that. So then we're gonna do that. Go back to left hand. We're gonna go add a component. Add the networked hit sounds v2. So I'm just gonna go. Oh wait, no, we have to import it first. My bad. Wait, no, I did. I'm losing my mind. So import that. So add component, and then just type networked hit sounds v2. That'll show up. So now we're gonna create audio source. So after you add that, I want to turn off play on awake or anything that's on here, and drag that into the networked hit sounds or audio source slot. So after you've added that, now you're going to want to add a photon view. Open that up if it isn't already. Go to synchronization and change that to reliable delta compressed. So that's for the RPC, so everyone can actually hear it. So now, lastly, for this hand, well, not lastly, but we want to add a sphere collider. If your hand doesn't have one already, which it probably will if you've watched other tutorials, turn on is trigger, and either set this to 0.05 or 0.06. I found 0.06 to work best for me. But also, again, make sure your hand has a different layer. So go into here if it doesn't, add layer, and just I would pretty much choose any of these. It doesn't really matter. I mean, it does, but not really for this type of game. At least not for me. Go back to left hand. So type that, whatever you want to call it, and select it in here, and just select. Just gonna cancel that. If that shows up, I just click only this object, by the way. So now so whichever audios you need. So if your map has like grass the player's gonna be walking on, you're gonna want to add grass sounds. So I would recommend going down to Danix's Dev Hub. Discord invite will be in the description. Let me go there. And you want to go down to Hit Sounds and download this package. And even if you want, watch this tutorial. Um, and then after that, and then just import by right clicking, import package, custom package, and then select the package. And after that, you're going to want to go down to Hit Sounds. Right? Go down to New, whatever this says, or New Hit Sounds. And then you want to go back to your left hand. Me personally, I'm gonna need stone, so I'm gonna go to stone and open that, and then drag concrete 1 through 3. So now that that's done, I'm also gonna add glass because I have a mirror. And that's all I need personally. You might need more, so just follow along with this. But now we're gonna do that with the right hand. So the right hand, add the hand tag and make a new layer called right hand, just like the left hand one, and add that to this. And now we're gonna add the networked hit sounds again. Add the audio source. Turn off play on awake. Add the photon view and change the synchronization to reliable delta exchange or compress. I keep saying that wrong. And then add the sphere collider. Turn on is trigger. Change this to 0.06, at least for me personally. Drag the audio source. So for the left hand controller, click left controller if it is. I forgot to say that. Now we just gotta add the sounds for this one. And so now that's pretty much all set up, but we gotta add some tags to whatever we want to step on for it to play audio or the correct sounds. So now, like for me, I'm gonna have a concrete sound for it since it's pretty much just concrete or tiles. So I'm gonna click the shape entirely and just go up, go to the tag, add a tag if you don't have it already. And if it's stone, name it stone. If it's grass, name it grass. First letter has to be capitalized, by the way. If it's glass, name it glass. If it's a tree sound, name it tree, etc. for the rest of the tags if you have any others. So I already have the stone tag added, so I'm just gonna go back, change the tag to stone right there. And you have to do that for all of the objects that you want to have a stone sound for. Like that, all of this has stone. This all has the stone tag. But if you have a different one, you gotta add the different one. So for here, since it's a mirror, I'm gonna change it to glass, which it already has. Now, if we try this, it should work if I'm sure. If I'm correct, sorry. Just start the game. And for this to play any audio, you do have to be using, like I said earlier, you have to be using Photon, and it has to be connected to a lobby. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay, so my player's loaded. We're gonna go up, grab the left-hand controller, move it down, and touch the ground. It is working. And other people will be able to hear that. Same with the right hand. Yep. I'm gonna try and move that over to the mirror. Over here. Come on. Let's go. Kind of heard it. It's a little buggy on computer. Listen to that. It's working. And other people will be able to hear that. And if you have any errors in the comment, or if you have any errors with the script, let me know, and I will try and help you out the best I can. Or if you want even better help, probably, I would join the Discord server if you haven't already, and I can help you out with that. So, leave a comment how you like the video, maybe like and subscribe if you appreciate it. And I know it helps me out a lot as I'm trying to grow my community and even gain a better and stronger community in general. Um, Tell your friends about the server, and thanks for watching.